Is Comma Football truly a game changer for soccer fans, or just another overhyped online store cashing in on football culture? If you've come across commafootball.com and were tempted by their limited edition jerseys and slick marketing, you're not alone. But before you place an order, here's everything you need to know. The store claims to be based in Australia and has been active since December 2022, which is relatively recent in the world of e-commerce. Their website looks clean and modern, offering a smooth shopping experience with features like secure checkout and global currency support, which definitely adds a layer of professionalism. However, a polished website doesn't always guarantee a polished service. On social media, particularly Instagram and TikTok, Comma Football has a growing following and regularly posts flashy videos and photos showcasing their products, but the engagement often looks promotional, with limited genuine customer interaction. When it comes to real user experiences, reviews are very mixed. Some customers seem genuinely satisfied with the design and uniqueness of the football jerseys, noting that they stand out from mainstream sportswear brands. But on the flip side, there are plenty of complaints about sizing inconsistencies, with some buyers receiving shirts that were too tight or didn't match the size chart. Shipping delays are another common issue, especially for international buyers, with reports of long waits and lack of tracking updates. Customer service appears to be hit or miss, with some users frustrated by late replies or no responses at all when trying to resolve problems. While there are no blatant signs of scam behavior, the lack of transparency around their team, limited refund options, and inconsistent delivery experiences raise questions about long-term reliability. So overall, Comma Football isn't a clear-cut scam, but it's far from perfect. If you're a die-hard fan chasing rare designs, it might be worth a shot, but casual buyers should think twice and weigh the risk before diving in.